I'm not excited.
Hey guys, mukbang.
Mukbang time. You gotta say what you're eating.
Oh yeah, I'm eating Chick-fil-A.
We're doing this drink in the way.
Mom's having whatever. What is this? Charlie's Philly cheesesteak.
And then
So your food?
And then I'm having the same thing. I said, but it's
Philly
an 8
cheesesteak
count.
with some fries.
But it's an 8 count, and I got some ketchup, and we got some fries in here. Chick-fil-A fries. Look at this. Dip it in ketchup.
Okay, it's time to open our big old meal.
But I'm drinking in front of your face.
Yeah. Sorry.
Cover that. No, this.
I'm drinking.
Wait, I'll try to scoot over there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a drink.
That's not gonna work, Michaela. Michaela.
Get out. Sorry about that. Next, chicken.
It's too thick.
Oh, yeah?
Like bread?
I'm gonna change mine to hot sauce.
Okay, hot sauce? Okay.
I'm gonna go get some.
So, what are we talking about in the mukbang?
Okay, so technically they're just talking
This
about
guy.
Mm.
The guy that's not in the camera?
Yeah.
I got some hot
There's a guy that's
sauce.
not in the camera. His name is.
His name is Alexander.
Alexandra. Go.
Well, I
He's
said
an
Alexander.
He's an actress.
He plays in a movie.
Yeah, he plays in the movie.
His real name. His real name is Michael B. Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
We'll take that.
I'll take that. Keep going, don't stop now.
But in the movie, he plays in. His name is Will Smith.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's talk about the game.
Okay, about the game.
He's a rapper too.
Okay.
You excited for the game?
Yeah.
Very?
Yeah.
I know you are.
I want James Harden or Westbrook to score 3 or someone get dunked on. Yeah.
Okay.
What about you, Mom?
I'm excited to see you. Because I know you've been wanting to watch it for a long time.
So yeah. I'm thirsty. Guys, I'm gonna go drink out of someone's drink because that's what I'm drinking from, and that's what we're drinking from. They're drinking from a random drink. They're drinking from their drink, and I'm gonna go drink someone else's drink. Peace. I'm sorry. We don't have any money.
Just
We're
in
not
your
poor.
spot.
We don't have it. Huh? This is embarrassing though.
Come here, Taylor. You see that spot over there with napkins? Can you go bring some?
Yeah.
We'll send her because she likes to go and do random things like that.
I'm shy. So how's life going, guys? Well, never failed. How's life going?
Get that noodle spunk.
Is that a fried egg?
Yeah.
It looks like a different color.
They put fried egg.
Look right there, see it? It looks like a different color.
You got the next song.
Thank you, ma'am.
Look, man. Oh, I forgot something. Here, let's go again.
Mom,
Yes.
can't care about nothing.
She's a little wild.
Stop.
I control the face.
Sit down, Michaela. What are you eating?
Eat a chicken bone.
Kayla,
Huh.
sit down.
I went my. This mostly shows me because of, like I'm in the middle. And me and my.
Top one. Too much.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Yes.
If you want part 2.
If you want part 2.
Yeah.
Wait. But it's actually part 3 because last time we did one, but YouTube took it down.
Yeah.
Because too much.
Comment down below what we should do in our next mukbang. What kind of food? You're not even in the mukbang. Get in.
I'm not.
Okay, I'll go fix the camera.
Right. The other way. Right there. Comment down below
You want
what we should do in our next mukbang.
Yeah, yo. They always comment what we eat. If y'all want to shout out for an iPhone 11, then comment, please. Thank you.
Yes.
That's what people do.
We'll shout you out for an iPhone 11.
Oh.
How does the Prince tell me to do it? Oh, y'all gotta do the little handshake.
Oh yeah.
To sign us out. There you go.
And we'll see y'all in the next mukbang. Goodbye.